behalf of VMM, Asavya Mahila Mandali, based at Vijayawada, is a well-known NGO working for the cause of HIV also. They are running one project called Koshis, through which they are able to deal with the people who are infected with STIs. STIs means sexually transmitted infections. NACO and APSACs also take care of this problem. We have got exclusive section called sexually transmitted infections oblique reproductive tract infections. There are about 35 pathogenic infections which are covered by STIs and RTIs. Out of them, 8 are very, very important because they are associated with great illness. 4 of them are curable, like syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, trichomoniasis. These are the 4 diseases, sexually transmitted diseases, which are curable. And there are also incurable diseases. They are like HIV, then hepatitis B, but it is preventable by vaccine. There is no vaccine for HIV. Then HPV, human papilloma virus. It is also incurable. It is also caused by virus. Then we call it one more HSV, herpes simplex virus, which is also incurable. All these STI infections, some of them are transmitted through sex, some of them are transmitted by way of blood, and some of them are transmitted from mother to child. If infected mother is there, the infection will be transmitted to child. It's a whole group of complex diseases. We are dealing with this infection because there is a close relation between STIs and HIV infection. It is likely that if person is having sexually transmitted infection, there are 10 to 20% possibility that the same individual, whether male or female, that they can have HIV infection. So because of that close correlation, what we do, we have opened STI clinics exclusively in our state. In 2008, we have opened about 85 clinics in our state. As and today, we have 105 STI clinics, and each and every district has minimum 4 to 5 STI clinics. They are all located in all government hospitals, whether district headquarters hospital or medical college or Vaidya Vedana Parishad hospital. They are located within our hospital premises. There is a doctor, there is an exclusive counselor, because there is a privacy of counseling and there is privacy for examining the patient, because it requires specialized equipment to examine genital organs of these persons, whether male or female. Those equipment will be there. And good advantage is that there are simple drugs for all these infections. If a patient takes these drugs for 1 day or 3 days, there is a course, prescribed course, then it is likely that entire infection gets cured. What message we have to give to people is, come out of stigma for these STI infections. Go to a qualified doctor. Don't go to a quack in the village. Go to a qualified doctor. Whatever drugs he prescribes or she prescribes, take them regularly. Have a drug adherence. And whenever you have suspicion that you have some symptoms, some problem which relates to genital organs, if it is a discharge for females, or is there any pimples or warts or ulcers, or there is some pain while passing urine, all these such symptoms, they have to immediately rush to a qualified doctor, whether male or female. They can diagnose the exact disease. There are very, very simple drugs which are provided by NACO and APSACs on a free cost. You go to any government hospital, find out where is STI clinic, go there, approach the medical officer, They will examine you and give you required drugs and be relieved of this sexually transmitted infections because they are very harmful for the persons. The very adverse impact of sexually transmitted infections are that if is a female, if she is a woman, it is likely that she can have infertility. The abortion rates will be very high. Even if the child is born, the child have eye infection, may lead to blindness. The child may have pneumonia. They will die of various other infections. And infertility is also one of the effects of these STIs. So because of which we have to educate, we have to make the people aware of these problems, and our only appeal should be any doubt, any symptoms, any problem with regard to genitalia or your sexual organs, rush to a qualified doctor and get the treatment. Treatment is free in all our STI clinics. Thank you.